It is now time to celebrate some birthdays and anniversaries on this beautiful Wednesday, and we begin in the beautiful city of Chanute, where Crystal Meyer is celebrating birthday number 44. A very happy birthday to you, Crystal.
All right, and Lisa Trujillo celebrating birthday number 46 this year in Pittsburgh with love from your best friend.
We've also got Tess Carl, who happens to work at the Bryant Student Health Center at PSU, celebrating a birthday today. Very happy birthday to you, Tess.
All right, and Rick and Mary Jane Parmalee celebrating their 50th anniversary. They are in Columbus. This is actually their golden anniversary. Woohoo!
And we've got James Robinson. Check out this cool guy. He's one of our master control operators. He's one of the guys that punches the buttons that make sure that we actually stay on the air. If it wasn't for folks like James and our other great MCOs in the back, you wouldn't see us because they have the power. They press the right button, we're off the air. So James, happy birthday to you, and thank you so much for keeping us on television.
You could even say they give more power to you.
that they do. That they do.
All right, Austin Egbert celebrating a birthday in McCune this year, and Judy Baker in Weir, Kansas. Happy birthday.
We've also got Cece Conrad in Miami celebrating a birthday, and then Curtis and Rachel Gregory celebrating an anniversary in Columbus. A happy anniversary to the two of you.
All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can submit them to us by email at birthdayswithans@koamtv.com, or you can log online to our website at birthdays@koamnewsnow.com and submit them through a link.
And do you know what else you want to do while you're at our website? Do you know, Tanya? Gabe, do you know? Yes, he says he knows. You want to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some special deals from local businesses for being a part of it. So visit our website, koamnewsnow.com, and make sure that you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Well, mobile